I'm going to be showing you how you can copy your affiliate link so that you can be able to sign up prospects in your metaforce business. Now, when you come here, right, you tap on token pocket. When you tap on token pocket, that is whichever wallet you are using, either trust wallet or token pocket, but mine is token pocket. You tap on token pocket, you open it, right? I want to go to show you step by step on how to do this. So now first thing you are going to do is, you once the wallet open, you go to discover. If it's on trust wallet, you see discover or that app, whichever one is the same thing. When you tap discover, then you come here. I assume if you want to do this, you are already a registered member. This means you are already you have already signed up on metaforce, because how will you get link if you have not signed up on metaforce? So when you do, you come up here under discover, you come up here and you type meta dash force dot space, meta dash force dot space. Now once you type it, you will see this display below. If it's on if it's on trust wallet, it won't be the same. You just press enter key on your keyboard, but on this one, you are just tap here, right? Once you tap here, this thing is going to show for you, right? Once it show for you, you tap continue operation. Anytime this thing display for you, you tap continue operation. Then you will come here to this place, these three lines. That's your menu button. Anything you are doing, this is where you navigate this ecosystem. When you tap on it, now if your wallet is not connected, sometimes you see connect wallet here. Then all you need to do is you tap connect wallet and then continue, confirm until the wallet is connected. But if it is connected, it will show like this. So once it shows like this, all you need to do is you tap on home, which is home there, or you can tap on this second home here, right? Because what we are doing here is to copy your link. You tap here, home, then you still continue operation. Whenever that thing pops up, continue operation. Okay. So sometimes this thing will not go direct. You see, like here, it bring me back here, meaning the thing has not connected. Now you can see that the wallet is not properly connected. That is why. So I need to connect the wallet. I'm using token pocket. I'll tap on token pocket. Okay, I'll still do so. I'll do it until the wallet connects, right? And sometimes you see when it's showing please, you see connect, confirm, put your password or put your fingerprint for it to be connected. Okay, it's showing error. Continue operation until this connects. So it's not one time you do it, you keep connecting until it connects. So thank God this thing is showing here, because some of you, if you just press once, it did not do, you start complaining. This thing does not work like magic. It's time to time. Okay, sometimes if too much traffic, people are also visiting, or sometimes your own phone network is not good or strong, then it will give you difficulty. You keep doing it until it connects. You keep doing it until it connects. Connected. Now all you need to do is you tap on home. Tap on home. Once you tap on home, you tap on home, you tap continue operation. Now this has bring you to your home. This is the main home. Then you tap these four boxes here at the top. When you tap four boxes, you can see here it shows your profile. You can from here change your picture. You can see mine has picture. Many of you, your own doesn't have picture. You can choose to add your picture, right? And what you now do is you tap on copy my link. You understand? You tap on copy my link. Once you tap on copy my link, tap on copy my link. Then you come here and you tap copy my link, right? Once you do that, you see your link has been copied. So it is this link that you will give to your prospect or whoever you want to sign up into the business. Okay, so that's just how you copy your link.